Hello students, good morning. My name is Ram and welcome back to new YouTube video with a new topic. In today's topic, as I discuss with working with CSV file. First of all, data gathering. Data gathering is an important file we bring and when we working on any project in machine learning. Why data gathering is an important? Because each and every model learns from the data, and data each and every machine learning model requires the data. So in machine learning, we basically has these five ways to gather the data. Has some another way, but basically has an five way that uses most of the time. So first of one is CSV. In today's video, we will discuss the how to working with the CSV files like simple CSV operations for gathering the data, handling data, and many more we will discuss in the next video. Then JSON. JSON is an file type that are used in for the data gathering. Sometimes also have data stored in the JSON file. When this time we require to perform operation on the JSON file. Now SQL. When suppose a company has an the data server, it has an more data, so it requires to store data in SQL for security purpose. So when you want to work with data, then you must fetch data from the SQL server. Then fetch data from API. This concept is very important. You fetch direct hit using the API to the website, and the data is fetched from the API. We will also do this in the future video with a practical example. Then web scraping. Web scraping is an example of fetching the data from the another website directly. Suppose on website, Flipkart is a website. We want to fetch data from the Flipkart. We analyze the website and using the structure of the this website, we fetch the data using the web scraping. It's also an good technology for data gathering. We will discuss the both of them in the future video with a practical example. So now it's turn to working. Now it's turn to let's discuss the working with CSV file. So working with CSV file. So first of all, what is meant by CSV file? A CSV, comma separated values. File is a simple text file. See here, it's a simple text file with an extension of .csv. Store tabular data in rows and column. Basically, this store data in rows and column. You know that. So for working with the CSV in a Python for the machine learning, what will I do? So first of all, library, you know that is an pandas library. Pandas is an library in a pandas is an library in a Python that are used to handling with the data. So first of all, import pandas as PD. Then common operations on the CSV file. It shows this rating on this because this not are stored in the data stored in the OneNote, so it's ignore it. So first of all, when we want to read the CSV file, it must requires to load our data set for performing the operation. So first of all, we wrote this pd.read csv data.csv. It's an file name. And PD is our pandas libraries object. The read CSV is a function, and df is a variable used to store your data. So here PD is an pandas read CSV file, and df is equals to data frame object. Now display the data, print df. Now first five rows, df dot head. Now if you want to print out the only first five rows, so it gives this result. Then this result is used by this df dot head. Then if you want to print the last five rows, then we use df dot tail. Now shape, you want to check the shape of the data set, like a number of rows, number of columns in the data set. So all of this so we do practically, so it's a better understanding for you. So let's move to the data set. So this I firstly created the file. So here is an data set IPL matches August 12. I will provide the link of the data sets. You can download from there. Now, first of all, see here, import pandas as PD. First of all, opening local file. It means this file is must contain your in the folder. You created the Jupyter notebook there. So this data set is also contain this folder, same folder. See here, working with CSV and this data set is also in the part of this folder. Now, so first of all, importing the pandas library. So import pandas as PD, importing the library, and see here df is equals to pd.read csv and dataset name, and then print df. So here, see here your dataset is printed. So your datasets contain the its dataset contains around 20,000 rows and 14 columns. See here 14 columns. See, suppose you want to find out the shape of the data. So here, see here, this and this are the same of the data. Now you want to uh, see the first five rows and see here, it gives only first five rows. It's not give five, it's by default gives five rows, but we can visit suppose this and 10 rows. So this gives use it 30 rows. Suppose it give one, it give also one row. See here, and then after that we want to df dot tail. It gives also last five rows here. 19,157, 156, 151. This and last five rows in our project, in our data set. And so another the IPL matches data sets. Another, so we can also do operations like that in this. So see here, pd.read csv IPL matches and this parse data set date info. So first of all, see 2 minutes. df of 1 is equals to either then df1 dot info. See here guys, this and this is on the same data set IPL matches 2008 dot csv. See here, it's on a date column. The data type of this date column, while we loading in this object df1, it has an object data type. Object data type means it mixing the string value as well also. But when we use parse date is equals to and provided the date column inside this function. So see here, date is equals to date and time. So parse date inside the read CSV files are used to convert the proper date and time format which has a particular column when we parse this column. See here, parsing are used for this. So remember this function parse dates. Now the converter, it's a simple Python program. Yeah, I know you know that, but yeah, it's an important. So def of rename function, and we pass the name. Then if name equal to Royal Challengers Bangalore. Suppose this here Royal Challengers Bangalore. Return RCB. If name equal to Kolkata Knight Riders, then return KKR. This I add this function for the converting the long converting the full name into the it's an short name like RCB, Mumbai Indians, like this. So here it's converted this RCB, KKR, RCB and KKR converted. Converters team name team 1. Why team 1 is equals to rename team 2 rename. So it's a joking part, bro. It's a joking part, friends. I also love the RCB, and please drop the comment for your favorite team. And 2026 RCB is finished on the top two. So yeah, I am very happy. I have to be very happy about happy today. So ignoring this part and let's do our then second one is use column function. Suppose if you have a data set has a multiple columns like an 100 columns, 80 columns, and you want to require some specific columns. See here in this has a multiple column ID, city, date, player, of the match, prisoner, result, and result margin. But you want to work only with these three columns. Then you use this use column functions for this. And when we use this use call function, USCCOLS is equal to, and we specify the column name inside this, it's only shows this. Now loading a huge data set in chunks. Suppose your off-train data set has an, you know that this is an shape of this data set. It shows an errors, ignore it. So you know that off-train.csv here, off-train.csv here, this is 19,000, 20,000 rows inside this. So here, if you want to loading a huge data set in chunks, so this chunk size is provided into 5,000. It means your data is loaded into 4 times. So see here, print chunk dot shape 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, and remaining 4,000. So your data set is loaded in the 4 parts. So it's a better way when you have a huge number of data sets. Basically, it's a simple data set 20,000, but sometimes when you uh, working on the machine learning project, it has a multiple huge number of data sets. So it's an important concept for loading a huge data sets in the chunks. So yeah, we completed let's today's video. If you have any doubt, then please drop the comments in the comment box. And if you like the videos, then please subscribe and like the video. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.